The hypothalamus mainly controls which system? The correct option is option B, endocrine system. Which part of the brain is responsible for emotions and memory? The correct option is option A, hippocampus. The outer layer of the brain is called the correct option is option A, cerebral cortex. The brain receives oxygen and nutrients through. The correct option is option B, arteries. Which hemisphere of the brain is typically associated with creativity? The correct option is option B, right. Which part of the brain controls language comprehension? The correct option is option B, Wernicke area. The brain is protected by which of the following? The correct option is option D, all of the above. The left hemisphere primarily controls. The correct option is option B, logical thinking and language. What is the main function of the meninges? The correct option is option B, protect the brain and spinal cord. Which lobe of the brain is responsible for vision? The correct option is option D, occipital. What is the primary function of myelin sheath? The correct option is option B, protect neurons and speed up signal transmission. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The correct option is option B, cerebellum. Which fluid cushions and protects the brain? The correct option is option C, cerebrospinal fluid. The limbic system is associated with. The correct option is option B, emotions and memory. The brainstem consists of which of the following? The correct option is option A, medulla, pons, midbrain. Which part of the brain is affected in Parkinson's disease. The correct option is option B, basal ganglia. What is the largest part of the human brain? The correct option is option C, cerebrum. Which part of the brain is involved in motivation and reward? The correct option is option B, basal ganglia. The automatic nervous system is controlled by. The correct option is option B, hypothalamus. Damage to which part of the brain can cause difficulty in speech production? The correct option is option A, Broca's area. Which lobe is responsible for processing auditory information? The correct option is option C, temporal. Which brain structure acts as the release center for sensory information? The correct option is option B, thalamus. The reticular formation is involved in. The correct option is option B, consciousness and alertness. Which neurotransmitter is associated with mood and happiness? The correct option is option B, serotonin. The pineal gland is responsible for producing. The correct option is option B, melatonin. Which brain region regulates heart rate and breathing? The correct option is option A, medulla oblongata. What connects the two hemispheres of the brain? The correct option is option B, corpus callosum. What is the primary function of the amygdala? The correct option is option B, regulating emotions. The frontal lobe is primarily responsible for. The correct option is option C, moment and decision making.